What I do like about it is the LED display has an indicator on there, lights up, it's easy to read. It has a battery indicator on the bottom, that's very useful. And also it's pretty cool, they have a lit logo on the side. The attachments, they actually are pretty easy to take off and put on. And this is actually one of my favorite attachments. I use this one for my shoulder. I like it a lot. So you can do it yourself with either hand. You can get into your spots that are sore from working out or just from sore muscles in general. So this is one of my favorite attachments right here. I love this one right here. It's got 3 prongs. And another thing I like about it is it's not too noisy. So one of the things I don't like about this is that while you're massaging yourself and getting the knots out and you're working it in, to prevent it from overheating, it shuts off. So it has a timer on it. So that's the one thing I don't like, and it turns off after a certain amount of time. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.